Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Blush AI Dating Simulator. First, go to your device app store and search for Blush AI Dating Simulator. Download and install the app on your phone. Once the installation is complete, open the app. When you open it for the first time, you will be asked to enter your name. Type your name in the box and tap Continue. Next, the app will ask you a few basic questions to set up your experience. It will ask how you identify, for example, male or female. Select the option that fits you. After that, it will ask who you are interested in, male or female. Choose your preference to continue. Then, the app will ask about the type of partner you are looking for. You may need to select preferences such as age range and personality type. Answer each question based on what you like. There are no right or wrong answers. Just choose what feels right for you. After that, the app will ask how experienced you are with dating. Select any option that best describes you. Once you finish answering all the questions, you will be asked to create an account. You can sign up using the available options. If you prefer, you can also continue as a guest. After this, you will land on the main page. Here you will see matches based on your selections. You can swipe left to skip a character or swipe right to add them. At the bottom, you will see different sections. In Discover, you can explore different AI characters. In Create, you can create your own AI character, including photo and video. In Chats, you can talk to characters you like and view your favorites. In Profile, you can manage subscriptions, wallets, and your profile settings. Thanks for watching.